Hello, my name is Mrs. Giordano, and I'm going to be introducing a page on my e-portfolio that's called Summit Math. If you look up here, Summit Math, Summit stands for Success Using Mathematics, Multimedia, Internet Technologies. And what this pretty much entails, it's a free website for students and teachers to use that holds 350 different types of lessons in multiplication, addition, subtraction, etc., which I will show you now. So here is my web page, and if I click on Summit Math down here, it will bring you up to this page. And first I will show you over here, this is the Summit IMP, which stands for Individual Math Plan. And if I click on it, it will bring this up. And I'll just make it a little bit bigger here so you can see. Pretty much what this is, it's a Summit Individual Math Plan that each student will have in my class. And what I will ask them to do is put their name up here. And what it compiles of all the different lessons, like I said, the 350 different lessons. If you can see here, it breaks it up into units. So the first unit you'll see is comparing and ordering numbers. And then if I ask the students to complete, say, for example, unit 1-1, that would be here, comparing 6-digit numbers. And if I scroll down here, you will see it goes through the different units. Here's factors, fractions and decimals, fractions, and it keeps going down. Measurement, temperature, measurement mass metric, measurement metric volume, etc. So to show you an example, we'll start with an easy one. And if I go into the first unit, which is comparing and ordering numbers, let me click out of here first, since that is just the download for the individual math plan. However, if you click on here, this will bring you to the Summit Math, same document. However, you can access all the individual units here. So, like I said before, we'll start with unit 1-1, which is comparing 6-digit numbers. And I will show you pretty much what I will have my students do. Okay, so here is the comparing numbers. And if I scroll down here, you will see pretty much what I would start off in class is explain to my students what each of the symbols mean. Greater than, less than, and equal to. And if you look by the example in words, you'll see 7 is greater than 4, 7 is more than 4, 7 is bigger than 4, and 4 is less than 7, and 7 is equal to 7. So I will go over this with the students in class, and then I will have them practice on their own by scrolling down. And what I could do is if I hit the start button, now it will give me examples. So now what you want to do is choose either the more than, same as, or less than button. So if you see 61,912 is less than 194,049. So I'll hit the less than button and you'll see that's correct. So I can go along with some other examples. So I know that 521,440 is more than. As you can see, it's correct. So you'll see my score. I have 2 correct, 0 wrong, which is 100%. However, if I do get one wrong, so say this is less than, you'll get a message from the web page saying that it's wrong. And as you hear the beep sound, if I'm your teacher and I'm listening to the students, I'll be able to hear in the classroom, which students are getting certain problems wrong. So then at the end, when I'm finished, I'll ask my students to do 20, and then they'll hit this report totals button, which will come up. Their score, you'll see 2 correct, 1 incorrect, total questions 3, and the percentage correct is a 67. So what I'll have my students do is type their name in here, and then print it out. Then they will attach it to their individual math plan. I'll give them a manila envelope, and I'll have them attach it to their individual math plan, along with filling out. If you look at Unit 1-1, comparing 6 numbers, I will ask them to put the date and their score, along with some comments. So if students feel like they, did understand it and they picked it up quickly, they can say they got it. If they maybe need more help with it, they can say need more help and maybe, work with another student in getting some extra practice. But this really gives teachers a good way of knowing what their students, excel in or maybe need more help in. So that is the individual math plan, and this is my Summit Math page. And, look forward to working with you more on different math activities with Summit Math. Thank you. Bye-bye.